Now, I know there are a ton of tips out there, but today I've got something special for you. Fast wins that you can implement right now to give your testosterone levels a serious kick in the right direction. Now, let's kick things off with a surprising revelation. Did you know that flirting with women can give your testosterone levels a significant boost, ranging from 50–70%? It may sound unexpected, but there's a primal connection here. When you engage in conversation, tap into those instincts related to attraction and competition. So don't be afraid to strike up a conversation to connect and let those testosterone levels surge. Transitioning from the art of flirtation, let's discuss a subtle yet powerful trick: the breath. Picture this. You're in conversation, especially with a woman. Pay attention to your breathing. Take deep, full breaths. It's not just about staying relaxed, it's about amplifying the testosterone-boosting effect. Shallow breathing? That's a big no-no. Opt for those deep, powerful breaths to maintain a presence that exudes strength. Now, let's move into the realm of the gym. Ever wondered about the optimal workout for a testosterone boost? Picture this: 6 sets of 10 reps of a compound movement. Think deadlifts, squats, or bench press. Aim for 80% intensity and ensure 2 minutes of rest between sets. This scientifically backed routine has proven to significantly elevate testosterone levels, helping you not only build strength but also embody the essence of masculinity. Our journey doesn't end there. Sun exposure, beyond its tan-inducing effects, can actually boost your testosterone levels. Aim for a minimum of 90 minutes of sun exposure per week, even if it's indirect. This simple practice not only leads to increased testosterone levels, but also contributes to a heightened libido. Imagine taking a stroll in the sun or embracing outdoor activities. It's more than just a mood lifter, it's a testosterone booster. In a world cluttered with complexities, these straightforward practices emerge as beacons of change. Imagine a life where you flirt confidently, breathe deeply, strategically hit the gym, and soak up the sun. Your testosterone levels will thank you, and you'll feel like the powerhouse you're meant to be. Remember, it's about embracing your primal nature and weaving these habits into your daily routine. So as you step into the world today, armed with these testosterone-boosting tools, go out there and conquer the day, gentlemen. You've got this.